To check his stress level, Frank the insurance guy is at his weekly doctor's appointment. The doctor's prognosis isn't good. The doctor says that Frank has TMS syndrome, too much stress to be exact, and prescribes a vacation, stat. Frank seems skeptical. To illustrate the urgency of the situation, the doctor shows Frank data documenting his stress level in the form of a few charts. With the help of line and bar graphs, surely Frank the insurance guy will better understand his situation. So, on his doctor's orders, Frank hops on a plane for the Bahamas. While on the boat heading to his vacation island, he sees the beautiful beach, the clear blue water, and pigs swimming in the water. Pigs swimming in the water? How cool! At the beach, Frank begins to fidget. He actually doesn't know how to relax. He has to do something. So, he decides to keep a daily record of the number of pigs he sees swimming in the water during his vacation. Each day, at the same time, Frank counts the number of pigs in the water and records the data in a table. Let's take a look at the table. It shows the data for 1 week. To make the information easier to understand, Frank first draws a bar graph. Notice the days of the week are graphed on the x-axis, and the number of swimming pigs on the y-axis. The data points are illustrated with 1 bar for each day. See how the highs and lows are easy to pick out? Bar graphs are useful to show data that changes over time. But what if you wanted to plot more than 1 week's worth of data? What about 3 or 4 weeks' worth? For tables with many data points, bar graphs might not be the best way to go. Line graphs give you the same information as a bar graph. Each bar is replaced with a point. The resulting points can then be connected, making trends in the data easier to visualize. Because Frank can't handle so much downtime, and because counting the pigs in the water isn't a day-filling task, Frank also monitors his relaxation level every day of his vacation. After 1 week, the data table looks like this. Notice, he used mood icons to describe his relaxation level, rather than numbers. For a better overview, he draws a line graph. On the x-axis is the number of days, and on the y-axis, the mood icons. And then, he draws in a line to connect the data points. Holy oink! The 2 graphs look almost the same. Is there a relation between the number of pigs in the water and Frank's relaxation level? Although we told him that just because the graphs look the same, there's not necessarily a relation. That would be ridiculous. But Frank isn't convinced. He lives for statistics, so he really believes the pigs are helping him relax. Frank has a crazy idea. Maybe Frank can relax when pigs fly?